Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create wall, door and window in Revit architecture tab. First of all, click on wall tab. Here you can see different types of wall we can select any type of wall. Then I'm going on options bar. I can choose a level and I can enter my height of walls. Then I'm going on properties browser, then choose a draw option from draw panel. Here I can set my properties in properties browser. I'm choosing rectangle shape, then I'm creating four walls by rectangle like this. I'm creating. Now I'm choosing line, then I'm creating one by one wall like this. First wall, then second wall, then this is my third wall, and I'm using now arc, 3-point arc, first point, second point, then 3-point arc like this. Now press 2 time escape button to exit any command operation or click on modify 2 times. Then now you can see in 3D view my walls are looking in 3D view. This is my visual control style. Here I can choose my visual style. Now select any wall, then click on edit type and click on structure edit to insert layers in wall like this. Click on insert, then I can insert layers. Then first of all, functions, I'm gonna choose functions. Yeah, I have already set. This is my function type. Click on finish if I'm gonna insert layer in finishing. Then this is my material. Click on material tab. Here you can see there are different types of materials in this tab. I can choose brick common. I can copy and paste like this. Select text and control C and control V. Then I'm gonna give thickness 25 mm and 25 mm also. Now you can see in preview I already created layers in walls. Now click on 3D view in quick access toolbar. Then you can see I inserted layers in 3D view. Now use shift plus scroll button to move in 3D my drawing, my walls like this. Click on shift, then click on scroll button and mouse, then you can move. Let's go forward. Now how to create doors in Revit architecture. Now click on doors in architecture tab, then select different sizes of doors and properties browser. If you want to insert new types of door from Revit library, then click on load family. Here click on load family, then you can choose door options. Then here you can see different types of door. Select any type of door. I'm gonna select this one, then click on open. Again I can choose different sizes of this door in properties browser, and now I'm gonna see in 3D view like this. This is my double panel door, this is my single flush door. Click on level 1, then I'm again going to choose door. Click on door, then here I'm gonna change head height, and we can change displacement of door by direct entering value. Select door and click on dimension, then we can enter dimension. Because Revit is parametric concentrate software, that's why we can direct enter value. Then we can displacement of my door. Now head height, I can change my head height of door in properties browser. The last option underneath the head height, I enter the value. Then here you can see the head height of my door. I already changed. Again I changed my head height of door. Now click on door, then click on edit type. Here you can edit my door options. The first of all, functions. If I want to exterior, interior, then click on interior or an exterior. This is my material and finishing, door material and frame material also. Here you can see different type options, and we can edit any type of options in edit type in properties browser. Now let's move forward. Now I'm gonna create windows. How to create windows in Revit architecture tab. Click on windows, then here again I can choose different sizes of windows in properties tab like this. I can load new windows and load family. Click on load family. Here you can see different type of windows. Select one windows and click and open. Again we can choose different sizes of windows and put on wall as well as door like this. And you can see here I already created my windows. Here again we can change slide and head height of windows. Click on edit type, properties, then we can enter value and we can change head height or slide of my window. We can change different sizes of window also. Sill height is 500, then my window sill height will change. Okay, next. This is my window, this is my door. And click on window and click on edit type. Here we can change any type of function, any type of properties in my properties browser. This is my preview of windows. I can see here front, left, right and back preview side like this. I can choose any type of options. This is my floor plan view. Then here I can choose material, I can change material, I can choose any option and can add it in edit type. Click on OK, then go back. I'm gonna create 3D view again. We can move 3D view by shift plus scroll button and mouse. Okay, here we go for wall modifying tab. Click on wall, then click on wall editing, then we can draw any type of drawing in this draw panel like this. I'm gonna create a flat. I choose flat and select first, then second, then I'm gonna create flat, then again I'm creating a circle here. Oh, show here is error, so I think it's there is something mistake, so it's showing here error. Okay, let's click on toss sign. It's showing error and again error. Click on sign yes, then I'm gonna again select wall. I'm creating a single wall here. Click on level 1, yes, and I'm gonna create a wall. Click on wall, then select a wall and I'm gonna creating by line. Yes, now go on 3D view. Here you can see this is my single wall and I'm gonna wall modifying in this wall. We can see in this wall also. Click on wall, then again I'm using flat. Select first and click on second, then I can making flat, then I am gonna a circle also and I will make hole like this. Here you can see I already modified my wall like a slope in this corner and a hole in this side. So click on edit profile, again I am choosing this wall in drawing, then click on circle and make a circle and click on finish. Now you can see here I modified my both walls and plan, and here it's